In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Manychat automation in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to streamline your marketing efforts and boost your online presence with efficient chatbot solutions, you're in the right place. Manychat is a powerful tool that allows you to automate interactions on platforms like Facebook Messenger, and today we'll walk through the basics of setting it up. First, you'll need to head over to Manychat's website, open your browser and type in app.manychat.com. Once you're on the Manychat homepage, the next step is to sign in. You'll see the sign in button prominently displayed, so go ahead and click that to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly create one by following the on-screen prompts. Don't worry if this is your first time. Manychat has made the sign-up process simple and user-friendly. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to Manychat's home dashboard. This is your main hub for managing all your chatbot activities. Here you'll see various tabs and options, but for now, let's focus on accessing the Home section. Click on the Home tab. This will take you to a streamlined page where you can start setting up your first automation. Now that you're on the Home dashboard, look for the Automation option. It's usually located in one of the main menus. Clicking on Automation will transport you into the realm of possibilities for engaging with your audience around the clock, even while you're catching some shut-eye. The automation feature is central to Manychat's functionality, allowing you to create, manage, and edit automation sequences effortlessly. The next step is crucial, creating your new automation. So click on New Automation. At this stage, you'll begin crafting the interactions your chatbot will use to engage with customers or followers. Creating a new automation might sound daunting, but it's designed to be intuitive. Think about the type of conversations you want to automate, whether it's a welcome message for new subscribers, answers to frequently asked questions, or even product recommendations. After you've clicked New Automation, you'll be given the opportunity to select a template. Manychat offers a variety of pre-designed templates tailored to different business needs, from e-commerce interactions to customer service dialogues. Browse through the options and select a template that best matches your goals. Templates are great starting points, especially if you're new to setting up chatbot sequences. And that's it, folks. You've just navigated through the steps to set up Manychat automation. By configuring these automated interactions, you're on your way to enhancing customer satisfaction and streamlining your social media communications. Keep experimenting and tweaking your automation sequences to suit your brand's voice and objectives. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.